What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here on my driveway, and this is not a bike video, kinda. It is not, but let's go over what I'm talking about right now. So as you can see, I got my car out here, my truck is over there, and I'm in the garage. I'm actually in the driveway, and what I want to talk to you about is that a company reached out to me and sent me a product that I've been wanting to buy for a long time. So it was really fortunate that they reached out to me. It's called FabHeavyParts. It's a company that makes different things, and this is what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I got a big box right here. It's really heavy. As you can see, it's gross weight, almost 83 pounds, and it's an adjustable car lift jack. There's some ramps that has, let me show you. So it is a big box. I have had this for like 2 weeks already, and first time gonna open it. Box came in a little damaged, but it doesn't matter. Let's see what we have in here. Okay. There's one. Let's see. Heavy box. This must be bottle jacks. We'll see. Lever for the bottle jacks. Another ramp. Pretty heavy duty. Another one of this. And let's see what else we have in here. I have another lever. So, what's in this box? Affirmative. 1, 2. Let me put this on the tailgate. Okay, a 5-ton bottle jack. That's one of them. The other one is right here. So 2 5-ton bottle jacks. So this must be really pretty heavy duty. Another 5-ton bottle jack. And let's see if we can put this together right here. So this is one of the ramps. And I haven't read the instructions, but I have some pins right here and some bolts to secure the jack. I'm guessing right over here. There's 2 bolts. There's only 2 holes on the bottom of the jack. And make sure you just put this on a side that you're gonna have access to. These are Allen heads. Seems to be like a 6mm. Comes with a washer. Let's set this to the side. Drop one in. Drop the other one in. And then you just get a wrench or a socket to tighten it from the bottom, which I'm gonna do right now off camera because you don't need to see all this. You're gonna repeat the process on the other stand. Well, the Allen head, it is a 6mm. The bottom, the nut, you can use it with a 1/2-inch wrench, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Get this really tight. The bottom is a lock nut. I mean a lock nut, and we're just gonna secure this in place. One side done. Now do the other side. All right, repeat the process on the other side. Let's see. We got a couple of pins that are gonna secure the stand right here, just for the height that you may want. And let's see, it's got a little notch right here to tighten this up, just a regular bottle jack. Tighten it up so that you can make this go up. And there you have it. And then it has a few, this thing has 3 different positions, which you can lift your car up really well. And I'm not really concerned about the truck, I'm concerned about the Audi, because this Audi is way lower than the truck. So that's the proof of fire. So let me set that other one up and try to lift this thing up. Just notice something, these safety pins, they're really cool. They have like a keychain, and these things have a hook where you can just loop it around and you don't lose them. So that's a really great thing to have, really thoughtful. All right, moment of truth. The other thing that you need to consider is that you should face the bottle jacks, one in each direction. That way you can have access for the right side and the left side where the handle goes in. So this one is facing the right and the other one is facing the left. So you should be good to go. I have clearance, so let's pull this up and see how it does. Now this one is a little up, so I gotta bring it down before I actually start. And again, this is as easy as any other bottle jack. There you go. Tighten it up, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. It has a stop right here, stop at the end on both sides. So let's see what we're gonna do. All right, so car's lifted up, no issues, no rubbing. That's the lowest position, and it's already pretty high, so it's gonna be really easy to do oil changes in this thing. I was using 2x4s to lift this thing up, and doesn't compare to what we have right here. So let's see how much. I mean, like I said, this is perfect distance already. This is the perfect height, but let's see how much it can be lifted up. I don't need to lift it all the way up. Make sure this is tightened up. And again, you have the security pins just to put them in the holes. It has 3 positions. But so far, very easy to lift up. And then you go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. That's the first position right there. I can see the hole. You keep going up. A little more, I'm seeing the second position, and I'm gonna stop right there because, like I said, I really don't need this thing to go any higher than what it is right now. You go do the same thing on the other side. There's no problems on the back. Perfect. This is gonna be my oil changes so much easier. Yeah, the only thing, I mean, these things are not expensive. They're almost like $280. I'll leave a link in the description below check them out. But I highly recommend it. I see really good welds throughout. 5-ton bottle jack on both sides, safety pins. It has the lifting thing capabilities. It's not the cheapest thing, but it is really sturdy. And it's gonna make a great asset over here in my garage. The only thing that I have a complaint about, and it's not really, is the footprint, because I don't know where I'm gonna store these things at. But other than that, great product. So yeah, I leave an affiliate link in the description below. I don't know if it's gonna be an affiliate. They didn't tell me what to do. They didn't pay me or anything like that. But this is a great thing that I'm gonna be using a lot. Other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Big thumbs up for this one. Highly recommended. Again, not on the cheapest side, but I mean, this is a good quality product. Check them out. Link in the description below. That's it for this one, guys, and let's ride. Goodbye.